It takes just 2 engines and a handful of men to haul 900 tons of timber out of the Kaingaroa State Forest. Laid end to end, that's about 46 kilometers of trees. An achievement not possible with anything less than a train. And an achievement that's successfully completed not once a month, but 6 times each day. When it comes to large hauls, nothing can take it like a train. We're the New Zealand Railways, and we're putting a great deal on the line. Last year, the New Zealand Railways came out to face the competition head on. We promised quicker arrival times, door-to-door deliveries, more efficient freight movement, and we delivered the goods. But there's more to come. More good news for freight users, more tough news for our competition. Because we're the New Zealand Railways, and we're putting a great deal on the line.
Passenger travel in New Zealand has just taken a turn for the better with a brand new deal called Travel Savers. Helpful services, convenient timetables, discounts for groups, discounts for younger people, discounts for older people, discounts for off-peak travelers, even discounts for people who dress the same. Travel Savers. Get onto the booklet and get onto the savings, because we're the New Zealand Railways and we're putting a great deal on the line.
When refrigerated freight lines wanted to move frozen goods around New Zealand, the one company that didn't go cold on the idea was Railways. We accommodated RFL's special loading equipment, special monitoring controls, even special units to plug the containers into the ferries. Flexibility, just another good thing you didn't know about Railways. But we're ready to negotiate and we're ready to compete because we're the New Zealand Railways and we're putting a great deal on the line.
An exciting new era in railways will begin soon. Trains will be clean and quiet, carry heavier loads, and arrive sooner. Most importantly, they'll use not one drop of imported fuel. This electrification booklet will arrive in your letterbox soon. It'll tell you of the dangers of playing, working and carrying loads too close to the 25,000 volt wires. Please read it carefully. We want electrification to be good for us all.
Nobody moves more than New Zealand Railways. No other single organisation carries more than the 11 or more million tonnes we shift on average every year. Nobody has as much to haul that much with. We've some 26,000 wagons and over 600 locomotives on more than 4,300 kilometres of track. Who else can offer that capability? And that's only the rail side of our organisation. Railways are the single biggest mover on New Zealand's roads too. We've a healthy fleet of over 1,000 road-going vehicles, like buses and delivery trucks, and of course our famous People and Parcel Express coaches. About 6 million items each year, from books to car bumpers, reach their destinations by Road Services coach. But that's not the end of Railway's road freighting capability. There are many more private operators out there who every day answer the Railway's call. Though the roads and rails end, railways still go on. Our ferry fleet, unique in New Zealand and admired around the world. Rail ferries, the vital link between north and south, across which flows almost 1 million tonnes of freight every year, in 26,000 cargo-carrying wagons, trailers, transporters and other commercial carrying vehicles. Rail, road and sea. It's only natural. Freight forwarding today demands flexibility. That's something Railways has more of too. But Railways is more than machines. It's men and women, many thousands strong. Many work behind the scenes, keeping our country's products and people on the move. Others, like railway sales agents, are always right up with the action, wherever the nation's freight decisions are being made. Our sales agents belong to a growing railways team of transport professionals, everyone trained and skilled at tailoring freight solutions to fit customer needs. That goes for equipment, like these purpose-built urea wagons, designed and constructed for our railways client. This design and build capability also extends to the provision of private sidings for big rail users. Tailor-made transport, naturally, includes rates. Here again, railway sales agents are ready, willing and able to work out rates guaranteed to give a customer the competitive edge he needs. It's a fact. Many Railways customers enjoy the benefits of flexible rates for their freighting needs. Let's take a brief look at just what is available to a Railways freight customer right now. If it's heavyweights that need hauling, Railways' ability goes unsurpassed. If it's perishables needing care and speed, we have special wagons and containers. Actually, we have a container for almost anything. Bulk powder, grain, liquids, flour, like those being painted here. Tallow, wine, yeast, fertilizer, coal, and much more. Our side-opening containers are a world first. Unlike conventional shipping containers, which open at the end only, ours open at both sides for easiest loading and unloading. And they meet the ISO standard, so they fit trains or trucks with equal ease. Containers for products, consolidation for parcels and small lots. Special pallet cages like these put anything under lock and key. It's yet another example of Railways' attention to customer demands. As you can see, Railways have equipment to meet every need. The same goes for Railways services. Door Rail, for example, New Zealand's most comprehensive door-to-door pickup and delivery service. You call, we haul, and it all goes on one invoice. That's innovation. Railways certainly are making freight economical and simple. Simplicity that starts right here with documentation. Easy to follow, foolproof to fill out. A real time saver. For another great Railways time-saving innovation, the traffic monitoring computer system. We punch in a wagon code, and bingo, our computer tells where a customer's consignment is, anytime, day or night. To show how accurate and extensive TMS is, the system also tells us what wagons are empty, where they are, and what condition they're in, all at the touch of a button. It's technological innovation that's in demand overseas. Freight Care is a human innovation. It's more of a commitment, really. Our commitment to anyone who uses Railways freight services that their goods will go with all possible speed and care. It's not just a promise. It's practice. The proof, of course, is in the performance. Freight Care reduced claims against lost or damaged consignments by 32% last year. Quite incredible when you consider we handle tens of thousands of separate items on average every day. Everything from toys to TV sets, crockery to cars. Freight Care, a special program Railways staff have turned to the advantage of Railways freight customers. It's another reason why we confidently say, to move anything anywhere in New Zealand, remember the first rule of freight. Ring Railways. We promise speed, care, commitment, and competitive rates.